Great office work and gaming. The keyboard is not only good for gaming. It has been designed to be a superb typing tool for office work as well. You'll love the feel and keystroke accuracy, which leads to fewer errors and typos. Pick among multiple LED backlight lighting modes for all 87 keys or create your own custom settings. Space-saving design. The compact 87 keys space-saving mechanical keyboard design frees up workspace on your desk without sacrificing performance and comfort during your marathon gaming sessions. The keyboard is built to withstand the average liquid spill. The keycaps can be removed in case you need to clean the keyboard after long-term use or simply want to switch out the keycaps to add a personal touch. Non-slip ergonomic and spill-resistant design. This mechanical gaming keyboard comes with non-slip adjustable rear feet for the perfect typing angle and a gold-plated corrosion-free USB connector for a reliable connection. Advanced backlight control. The illuminated mechanical gaming keyboard features a solid aircraft-grade aluminum ABS construction, plate-mounted keys, double-shot injection molded keycaps, high-end switches with mechanical ultra-last springs, crisp and bright adjustable LED backlighting. High-speed USB cable with gold-plated corrosion-free USB connector for a reliable connection which will stand up to fast hardcore gaming. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice illumination with positive keystroke like an 80s keyboard on an old-style terminal. Took a little time to get used to. It has that mechanical feel, larger key height to it, like an 80s keyboard on a terminal. Retro feel. It has several color changing dimming capabilities, but cannot choose a single color from what I can determine. You get different colors each row. I chose to have it static rather than the ever-changing nonsense. That works for me. I use this in a rather dark environment and need to see the keys. They are illuminated very nicely if you don't mind the different colored rows. I don't believe you can choose one color overall. At least I have not figured that out yet or taken the time to dig into it. I was originally concerned, but now honestly I don't notice it. It's different, but it's fine. Oh. One other thing, no number pad, which personally I never use, but the only con, I do miss that return key on the far right side, sad face. Otherwise it feels like a full-size KB but without the additional 4 to 5 inches on the right side for the number pad.